Next, I'm going to talk about tips for effective version control and document management. So some of the things that you can do to aid in your version control would be to establish a clear naming convention for all project documents and apply it consistently. So, if you have a standardized naming format, that way you'll know exactly what documents relates to what, as well as having, if they're collated together on a spreadsheet, you'll be able to easily tell where you are on which step on which version. 2, implement a document review and approval process with clear roles and responsibilities. So just make sure that everybody who's supposed to be reviewing knows what they're reviewing and when they need to get to it. Store all project documents in a centralized repository accessible to all project participants. So again, that kind of comes with the fact that we discussed earlier about having your submittals come in one place. And ideally, you would also keep everything that's come in one place as well. You may receive submittals in one place, but you don't want to then segregate it and parse it out, because then it's going to be very difficult to track and then recollate together. And lastly, point number 4, sync document management and review. So that just means integrate the review with the document management system to avoid generating extra versions.